Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. So, got a big day going on here. We have a parts order, as the title of the video suggests. It's like Christmas around here. So, I thought what I'd do is I'd sit down with you guys and lay out what we got for the Fox. So, first things first. I had to do it. I know a lot of you guys have been telling me about restoring these original headlights, and I very well may, but this is going to speed up the process. And I got to be honest with you, this is like cheap fun. Like, it's a cheap fix. These headlights, I think they're like 130 bucks or something, like for a full set. So anyway, I know they're not like original Ford quality, but they're brand new and they're clear. They're not, you know, popcorn yellow, and that's the route I'm gonna go. And then while they're out and I got some time, I'll probably take a look at restoring these ones, and if I can fix them. This one's actually really bad. I don't know if I showed you guys this or not, but like it is really beat. So anyway, we'll see how that turns out. Another quick hitter, had to go with the LMR cup holder center console. And unless I just missed it on their website, I couldn't find them in red. So I ordered the gray, and I got a bunch of paint, right? So what do I got here? This is actually the white, I believe. I made a joke actually on my carpet video. It's funny, like LMR gives you black lids, which I don't know why. Maybe it's because they're custom mixed. Anyway, you gotta like cross-reference their bloody paint codes and figure out what it is that each one is, or I guess test spray each and every time to make sure you got the right one. So those are two quick hitters, and then I got this big rectangular box, to which maybe I'll turn you around and show you all the bits and pieces I got going on in here. Right, so got a new set of well, I don't know, what do they call these anyway, kick door scuff plates, little quick hitters. This car doesn't have a battery tie down, so here's the Dorman replacement. What are these? Oh, this is bushings for my sway bar. They're shot on this car. I got my clutch, new clutch cable. Mentioned to you guys I was going to be doing that. Somewhere in here is, yeah, here's the new adjuster paw. Actually, I think this makes it so it doesn't adjust anymore. Yeah, that's right. It's just solid. If you haven't had yours apart or replace your clutch adjuster paw, this is a plastic piece from Ford, and they break and they can not necessarily leave you stranded, but you're getting home in whatever gear you can get your car into with it turned off, and start it in gear and let her out. Because yeah, your clutch cable will literally, or this will snap, and it pretty much leaves your clutch cable, deems it useless. And then yeah, there's the firewall adjuster for it. So got to get that in. Oh, more sway bar stuff. I got new sway bar end links. These haven't broken. I was actually talking to a buddy of mine on Instagram. He was telling me his broke, and he said, geez, if you could do a video on how to change those, that'd be great. So I'll probably just do a standalone video on how to swap those, because that's a pretty common thing to happen in these 30-year-old cars, right? So I'll do a video on that for you guys. What else is in here? New door seal moldings. And I actually, for any of you convertible owners out there, I couldn't find just convertible door seal moldings. I had to order like coupe ones. Well, it doesn't matter, coupe or like they're all the same door. And then I believe you just cut them. That's the only thing I can really figure out. So these are like the full door moldings and or seals, and I'm gonna just cut them. Anyway, that's that about that. Another quick hitter. This is a hood to firewall seal. I don't know whatever happened to this one. Probably got taken off the car when it was painted and never put back on, so that's got to go back on. Oh, I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this. This is my smoke machine for testing vacuum leaks. I haven't done anything with it yet. I'm gonna, whatever, when everything's back together, give it a quick little test and see if I got any quick fix leaks. But yeah, I know some of you guys have asked me to do a video on that, and I will, but that's coming in the future. So what else do we got here? Oh, here we go. I bought, now this is kind of the econo version, but just a little short throw shifter, because I can't really stand the big stock one that's in there. So this thing was cheap, I don't know, 60 bucks or something. Now getting into the more granular stuff here, guys, I got lots of tiny little odds and ends. This, not very impressive to most, but does it say anywhere on here? No, it doesn't. This is like a full-blown every interior screw kit known to man. Heck, it even comes with new door pins. So I'm not going to need all of these, but this is just a beauty little system that you can whatever, throw to the side in your garage and have all of these original screws, right? Because everybody knows these things. Heck, I've seen some Foxes that got wood screws in them holding door panels in and stuff. So okay, what else? Other little, I got new seatbelt plastics. I think we're actually getting to the bottom of it. These are convertible seatbelt moldings. Obviously need to be painted. Lots of little clips. Yeah, well, actually that's for the trim that goes around your gear shift, your 5-speed gear shift bezel. So yeah, that I think kind of, oh no, wait a minute. And I got a new power window switch assembly and the beauty plates that go around them, because mine are shot. Oh, actually I'll show you some of the stuff that came out of here. I'm getting ready to do some painting here, guys, so that's why this stuff's all laid out. And I actually have started doing some painting. These came in the kit as well, or in my order. Just new armrest, door armrest deals. They came gray, and so I painted them white to match. Repainted my armrests, the little caps, right, that fill the holes. I'm gonna put a fresh coat of black on this stuff. Got the Landau black. I've been talking a lot about this SEM. You'd swear that they pay me, but they don't. I love their stuff. It works really good, and it's a dead on, bang on match for anything Mustang related. Oh, these are getting actually really hard to find. So this is that little silver piece of trim that goes along your armrest here. These aren't the best example of what a good one looks like. Mine and my coupe are actually a lot cleaner, but it is what it is. I don't know, you gotta like hunt junkyards to try to find these now, and I don't think anyone's making them. And you guys have seen all this stuff. That's all freshly painted and ready to go back on. But yeah, here's some of the, like, here's my original Scuff plates. Like, they are beat. And for any of you out there wondering, like, don't over tighten these guys, please. Like, I see these cars and look at how bent these are. You do not need to farmer tighten these door scuff plates, okay? They bend, they look like garbage. And obviously the sun has had its way with these too, but yeah, here's my original armrest. This one's actually not bad, passenger side, but the driver's side, check that elbow war wound out. Just beat. So we got lots to do. I'm gonna be throwing a fresh coat of white on these. These are my speaker bezels, and your little power window switch goes in here. So I showed you guys in the box I got replacements of these, but I might, because these aren't in bad shape, I might try to paint them first before I go and waste a bunch of gray paint on, or white paint on those gray ones that I got. I'm gonna put some new red on the center console and black, right? You can see here this black's pretty much toasted. So mask all that off and paint it up and get this Fox back in order. One thing I screwed up on, everybody's got one of these, a broken bloody console. I forgot to order one. I might do that. But I actually have a console delete that I might paint red, and where is that? There it is. It's gray, but I might paint this guy red for now until I get parts to replace that console. Right guys, so that's the parts haul. Interior updates, I have essentially I've been cleaning seats and body panels, vacuumed out the inside. You guys have already seen all this though with the carpet resto video I did. But I'm getting to a point now where things are just gonna start going back together. On in my seat video, I think, sorry, I'm filming a lot of stuff and I'm not sure in which order it's gonna all come out, but I've fully cleaned the seats now. I think I just had done one in the video that my seat resto, but yeah, they're both done now. And both turned out quite well. I'm actually, I gotta think, like, these seats being in the shape they are, I wonder if they've been recovered at some point, because they're in like impeccable form. So I don't know, that's a bit of a mystery to me. If they are original, like, that's outstanding. Or the other side of it too is if they have been redone, somebody did a really nice job on them. So anyway, that's that about that. There's some mysteries unsolved in these car endeavors. So, but yeah, thanks for tagging along, guys. I hope some of this stuff, I think why I wanted to do this is a lot of people don't even know that there's things like this available for these cars out there. And I thought, well, here, I'll do a quick little unboxing type video for you and show you that you can still get quite a few of these parts. There's some you can't get, but and it's probably going to get worse with what you can't get over time, but yeah, you can still get a lot of this stuff, and it's decent quality stuff. Some of it's really good quality, some of it I've done this headlight thing before. I've got clear headlights on my coupe, and I had one of them, as soon as I got it out of the box, the lens popped off, which I gotta hand it to Late Model Resto. They were great about it. They had one in the mail to me before. Actually, I didn't even have to send the broken one back. I've still got the broken one. So they were really, really good about it. But yeah, like, this stuff is available, and you can track various bits and pieces down to really freshen up your Fox. So I see a lot of guys doing live stream videos, and I've never done one. I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing something like that, and or maybe having the ability to ask me some questions. I know anytime I've kind of hooked onto a person or a channel on YouTube, I've always got questions, right? Like, hey, what's that about? Or what do you do here? Just personal questions even, right? So if you guys would be interested in something like that, I got no problem. If I can find the time, I'll set up in the garage one night and you guys can bomb questions at me, and we'll have a back and forth. So let me know if you're interested in doing something like that. I'd be totally into it. So anyway, guys, that's enough for now. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, I look forward to chatting with you guys in the comments below, and thanks very much. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye for now.